All right, CLAT 2025 students, your hunt for tips and tricks videos have already started, and that is why I'm on your page right now. Okay, in this video, we will be covering a few important things that you need to keep an eye out for the LR section of CLAT 2025. Please remember, no time left for the final exam. Okay, that is why I will also try to keep the video very, very short, sweet, and succinct. Okay, I hope you make the most out of this video. This is Jessica from Tarka Shastra, and this is the only LR video you need for CLAT 2025. Number one, let's get the basics out. How many questions in the section 22 to 26? Okay, the ideal score, obviously 100%, 100 on 100. Okay, the average score, the score that you, I'm hoping, have been scoring for now is almost 15 to 16 marks. Okay, what is your aim? Almost 22 to 20 marks. Okay, that means you have almost 3 to 4 buffer questions which can easily be skipped. So one question per RC can be skipped. Okay, this might not be practical, so let's not chase this. Your aim should be approximately 20 to 22 marks. That's it. Let's just work till there. Okay. Now, how do we work? How do we even get there? 3 दिन बचा है, 3 दिन में इधर तक कैसे पहुंचे? Let's see. Now, I know this is why you take the video. So let me just get out the basic strategies. Okay, the basic strategies that that can probably save you a couple of minutes. Main idea. Stuck? I don't know what the main idea is. Why not revisit the 2 lines, the top 2 lines of the passage and the bottom 2 lines of the passage? You will at least have a better understanding of main idea before what you knew after reading the entire RC as a whole. So, if you're ever confused, ऊपर की 2 line, last की 2 line. ठीक है, अभी भी confusion है, main idea solve नहीं हो पा रहा है, solve it at the last. You usually get 5 questions per RC. One of them will most definitely be a main idea. Others could be a specific highlighted questions like a particular argument needs to be weakened or strengthened and all of that other drama. That is why I keep this at last, because for those questions you'll be visiting the RC so many times that you will naturally then have a better idea of the main idea of the RC altogether. So, इससे लास्ट में करो अगर समझा नहीं है, अगर ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, इन्फ्रेंस हाई रिस्क क्वेश्चन है, इसे कहते हैं रेड फ्लैग क्वेश्चन. अगर इन्फ्रेंस का आंसर कुछ ज्यादा ही सिंपल लग रहा है तो प्लीज start looking at it with suspicion. There's clearly a catch to it. I mean, no inference question answer could be that easy. Okay, so inference questions, if you don't have time, kindly consider skipping them. Okay, and the entire LRCR section relies on eliminating options. Okay, there are more bad options than there are correct options. So eliminate options so you can have a better focus on the correct one. Okay, how to eliminate? This is how you can eliminate. So many option types that can be easily eliminated. Too broad, too narrow, out of scope, completely irrelevant, extreme. The author is not going to that extreme direction, but the examiner suddenly is going into that only, always, every direction. Red flag option. Okay, opposite, true, but irrelevant to the question. बात तो सही है, पैसेज में तो बोला है, but क्या क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा है? नहीं पूछा है तो बेकार ऑप्शन है, right? Rotten, a one single word, 99% of the option is entirely correct. This one single tiny, word is completely throwing the entire option off. That's a very valid option. I mean, that could be there. Okay, and it's a valid option. But you must throw it out. Throw out the opposite one. Okay, contrary again, out of passage, and anything that's distorted. Okay, it is true to the passage, but cause and effect badal diya kisi ka. रीजन एग्जाम्पल किसी का बदल दिया, तो थोड़ा सा खिचड़ी बनाना ना, दैट्स ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. ओके, it must follow the same line of reasoning used in the RC. Okay, thank you to this person on Reddit. I have taken this tricks from him. So he has made an acronym called TRAPS and BANIC or BINIC. BANIC, TRAPS. Simple. BANIC, TRAPS, almost 7 to 8 obvious options to be eliminated. Okay. All right. So thank you to specific AD. Next. Options eliminated. Now what? You will never know what options to eliminate if you don't know the concepts. I mean, यार 3 दिन बचे, अब तक तो concepts पता होने ही चाहिए यार. I mean, पता है ना? Do you know the difference between inference and conclusion? Pause the video, comment down below. The difference between inference and conclusion is so and so. 3 days left to the exam. How dare you not know the difference between the two yet? Now, if you don't, let me be honest with you, what do you need to do? If you don't, मत पढ़ यार, टाइम नहीं बचा है, कुछ भी नया पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं बचा है. No time left to learn anything new. Just practice what you know. Just practice the concepts you already know. Okay, you might already know a certain concept. Why not attempt those and skip the ones that you don't know? Okay, make the most out of your time. Okay, focus on smart work and not hard work. There is nothing that you can achieve in the last 3 days that you haven't achieved till now. Okay, so nothing new. Okay, please consider skipping your enemies. Okay, and what else you must be doing? A lot of mocks. Okay, a lot of mocks and a lot of analyzing. Okay, what will that help you do? That will help you realize, oh, these are the concepts that I'm clearly not aware of. Okay, these are the concepts that I don't know. Okay, I might revise or learn them again. So you will have a better idea of your strengths, your weaknesses, your attempts, your skips. Okay, so don't focus too much on mocks. एक मॉक कर 2 दिन में, 3 दिन में भी एक ही मॉक करो भले, ठीक है, बट एनालाइज बहुत अच्छे से करो. Analyze it so well that you can get inside your own subconscious. You can understand your own brain. How is it functioning when it's attempting this exact paper? Your brain is nothing but like a dog. You must train and treat it like a dog. Okay, your subconscious creeps it in such a way that you don't realize, and it completely distorts your original line of reasoning. So you must always be careful. That's why analysis is very important. एक और चीज, टाइम कम है. Don't pull your hair for things that are of very less weightage or are not relevant. तो एक काम करो, ये है 5 साल का ट्रेंड एनालिसिस. 5 साल में LR में किस तरह के कितनी बार क्वेश्चंस आए थे, ये रहा. I'm moving out of the frame. Pause the video, take a screenshot and work as per this trend analysis. ठीक है, इस ट्रेंड एनालिसिस से पता चलेगा कि आपकी हाई प्रायोरिटी टॉपिक्स कौन सी हैं और लो प्रायोरिटी टॉपिक्स कौन सी हैं. Then function accordingly. Okay, high priority topics पहले करो, low priority बाद में करो, या टाइम ही नहीं बचा है तो मत ही करो. Revision में भी revise high priority topics first, low priority later or maybe not at all. Okay, this was the trend analysis. अभी क्या करना है? अभी कुछ चीजें नहीं आ रही हैं तो how do I deal with it? Unfortunately, this is LR and logic cannot be learned. Okay, I can tell you the difference between inference and conclusion, but I can't promise that after every question that we will be doing after that lecture will all be correct. Because you might now know the concepts, but your logical thinking skills are not developed enough to cater to those questions. So it's okay. It is okay. Be very strategic when, giving such competitive exams. Okay, not everything needs to be attempted, but whatever is attempted must be done with full confidence and accuracy. Okay, आई एम श्योर यू हैव वेरी सम स्ट्रेंथ. LR नहीं अच्छा है तो कौन पे फोकस करो, जीके पे फोकस करो, ठीक है, लीगल पे फोकस करो. अपने स्ट्रैटेजी, अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स को पहले रख करो, वीकनेसेस को बाद में, ठीक है. योर ओनली गोल इज टू गेट अ गुड परसेंटेज और योर गुड रैंक, ठीक है. यू कैन इजिली गेट अ गुड रैंक विद अ लो स्कोर इन LR but a high score in other section. Okay, so logic is something that you can't learn right now. Logic is something that has to be practiced because you already have it. It just needs to come to the surface back again, and it can only come back to the surface through a lot of practice. ठीक है, 3 दिन में दुनिया नहीं बदल सकती. So I am sorry if you can't do it, if you can't get your answers for LR right. I am really sorry, पर अभी टाइम नहीं बचा है. अगर लग रहा है तो मे बी 100 क्वेश्चंस एक बार में एक दिन में बैठ के करो. बर्नआउट फील होगा, डायरेक्टली एग्जाम पे इम्पैक्ट करेगा, इसलिए आई डोंट एडवाइज इट. ठीक है, तो फिर क्या करें, प्रैक्टिस क्या करें अपनी. अभी आपने बोला कि नई कॉन्सेप्ट भी मत पढ़ो, अभी आपने बोला कि लॉजिक भी मत अभी प्रैक्टिस करो, तो करो क्या, अपने ढंग के मटेरियल को सॉल्व करो. अभी मटेरियल से मेरा मतलब, आई डोंट मीन अ प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशंस मॉक्स. ओके, those mocks are not made by the original consortium, that's made by a completely different body. Okay, there could be some lack of research on their end, there could be some distortion on their end. Okay, that is why you must always only rely on previous year questions and mocks. Okay, nothing will give you a better reality check than the previous year papers. Through previous year papers, you can understand how the mind of the consortium works. How does it set the paper? On what logic does it, resolve a question? And on what logic does it try to, misguide me, or misdirect me? Okay, so try to understand the mind of the consortium, and you can only do that by not solving some other private institution mock papers. Try to solve the original past 5 years. CLAT का पैटर्न बदला था, हाँ, बट पैटर्न बदलने से पहले भी क्वेश्चन तो वही कंसोर्टियम बना रहा था, तो भले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लो उसके, पूरे मॉक नहीं कर पा रहे तो, ठीक है. सो नथिंग विल गिव यू अ ट्रू रियलिटी चेक लाइक प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. सो फॉर नाउ 3 days, आई थिंक द बेस्ट थिंग दैट you can do, the only thing that should be on your agenda is last 3 to 5 year previous year question and mocks. That's it. Enough, honestly. इसके बाद क्या, काफी नहीं है. मॉक्स करने के बाद एनालिसिस भी जरूरी है. अभी मैंने कहा मॉक्स भले कम करो, एनालिसिस ज्यादा करो, एक इराटा मेंटेन करो. इराटा मतलब अ लिस्ट ऑफ योर एरर्स. मतलब दिस वाज अनअटेम्प्टेड. व्हाई वाज दिस अनअटेम्प्टेड? ओ, टाइम नहीं था या नॉलेज नहीं थी. दिस वाज अटेम्प्टेड, दिस वाज रॉन्ग. व्हाई वाज दिस रॉन्ग? नॉलेज नहीं था, कि जल्दी में किया, कि कोई सिली मिस्टेक किया, कि कोई फैलेसी की. ये सब इराटा बनाना पड़ेगा, एक एक्सेल शीट बनानी पड़ेगी. लास्ट के 3 दिन है. ओके, मेक अ वेरी स्मॉल ब्रीफ शीट. दिस वाज सपोज्ड टू बी डन लॉन्ग बैक. ओके, नहीं किया, दिस इज एक्चुअली अ डायरेक्ट इंप्रूवर ऑफ योर स्कोर एंड योर परफॉर्मेंस. नहीं किया, लास्ट के 2 दिन 3 दिन की लिस्टिंग्स भी हेल्प करेंगी फाइनल डे पे. The only thing is you just need to know how your brain is functioning, where your brain is faltering, where your brain is actually working optimally. ठीक है, ऐसे questions देके your brain gets really excited and attempts it all correct. That's a good question. You are good at it. Go ahead and do those first. जहाँ पे मूड खराब हो जाता है, परफॉर्मेंस सीधा नीचे जाती है, don't do them. Don't do them at all. Or if you have time left, come and do it later. But don't let them, the one question mood solve, ruin the entire paper. Okay, so be careful on what to attempt, what to skip. And how will you know that? Through the list of your errors. ठीक है, कंसोर्शियम काफी मूडी है, काफी मूडी. मैंने अभी ट्रेंड एनालिसिस दिया, आई नो, बट कंसोर्शियम का मन किया तो इस बार 1-2 गूगली फेंक देगी. ओके, it could do what it likes. Okay, why? It does not owe you anything. Okay, it does not owe you a specific syllabus because it's an aptitude test. What is an aptitude test? It will test your existing skills. Okay, you already possess logic. You already have been speaking English for the longest time, right? You already, that's what the consortium assumes, as somebody who is, up to date with current affairs. इसीलिए ये पेपर दिया जाता है. अभी आप लोग, you go out of your way and join a couple of coaching institutions, that's your decision. Consortium does not owe it to you that, we will follow a same pattern. So there is a very well possibility that there could be a couple of googlies thrown your way. So don't let that scare you. Don't let that haunt you. If that comes, try to attempt it or again, come to it later. ठीक है, अभी करो, बाद में करो या सीधा छोड़ दो. Okay, this should be the first thought when you are approaching a question. क्या ये मैं अभी करूं? क्या ये मैं बाद में आके करूं? या मैं इसमें टाइम ही ना वेस्ट करूं? Okay? Next. Very, very, very common dilemma. दो ऑप्शन में फंस रहा है. दो हो जाते हैं, but दो में वापस फंस रहा है. And this is a very common dilemma. You can easily eliminate C and D, but you're still stuck between A and B. What to do? And most of the times, I have realized, students don't understand what the question is asking for. Sometimes the answer is in the question itself. So, just in case, if you're ever stuck between two options, go to the question first. Instead of rushing to the RC, go to the question first and check what the question is asking. ठीक है? I think आधा टाइम तो तभी आंसर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? तब भी नहीं मिला तो ठीक है, अभी आरसी पे वापस जाओ और ऑप्शन ही क्या बचा है. Go back to the RC, go back to their exact portion, read that again briefly, just skim it. ठीक है? Then come back to it. अभी भी नहीं मिला ना तो भाई skip, रहने दो. You've already invested and wasted so much time. Okay, do not gamble and lose some negative marks also. Time भी गया, marks भी गए. Don't do that. If you can't eliminate further than 2, skip it. If too many skips at the end, then come back to it. Okay, but skip such a risky question. Last point, I promise. This is a strategy video, right, ma'am? Then why does the slide say no fixed strategy? No fixed strategy. Ever wondered why every YouTube teacher, has a different strategy for every different topic? I think you guys are on a binge right now, binging every single strategy video and realizing there's every different strategy for every different topic. Strategies are completely subjective. There is no objective strategy for that will cater to every single aspirant. There is none. Strategies are completely subjective. Okay, that is why there is no fixed strategy for one specific topic. You know what you need? You obviously need strategies, but you only need strategies for the topics that you are weak at. अरे कंक्लूजन ऑलरेडी अच्छा है तो कंक्लूजन पे स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियो देख के टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हो? अजम्पशंस नहीं आ रहा है ना, तो अजम्पशंस की स्ट्रैटेजी देखो. पूरे सेक्शन की स्ट्रैटेजी देखने का मतलब क्या है? पूरे सेक्शन में भी क्या नहीं आ रहा है, स्पेसिफिक चीजों की स्ट्रैटेजी देखो. अब तक तो स्ट्रैटेजी हमारे दिमाग में बन चुकी है, कुछ हिलाओ मत. प्लीज डोंट चेंज योर स्ट्रैटेजीज एट द लास्ट मोमेंट. That is why I'm not going to be giving you any strategies. That is why this video was no particular strategy being delivered. It was just a general but a very important video on LR that you guys really need in the last 3 days. Okay, so please realize there are no strategies. It's a pure clickbait when somebody is selling you a lot of strategies. Okay, there is no personal strategy that will cater to everybody. तुम्हारा स्ट्रैटेजी तुम्हें खुद ही देखना पड़ेगा, ट्रायल और एरर से. अभी टाइम नहीं है, अभी कोई स्ट्रैटेजी मत बदलो. जैसे सॉल्व करते आ रहे हो वैसे ही फाइनल डे पे करना. दैट्स इट. क्या चीज पे स्ट्रैटेजी लगानी है उसी के लिए तो मैंने बोला था भाई, इराटा बनाओ, एक एक्सेल शीट या छोटी सी नोटबुक बनाओ जिसमें एरर्स लिखते जाओगे. ओके, इससे पता चलेगा कि भाई किसकी स्ट्रैटेजी पे फोकस करना है, कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे रिवाइज करना है. ठीक है, you still have ALET, you still have a lot of other exams after, CLAT. So these points are still relevant, okay? So you can still practice these even after CLAT, All right, you still have a lot of other exams waiting for you, private state exams. You can always redeem yourself with those. And these points will be relevant then as well. Okay? So, bas yaar, itna hi tha. That is it. For LR, there is no point to stress in the last 3 days. Just focus on what you know and skip everything else. Okay? Agar time bacha to वापिस आ जाना. I am sure you already have your strengths and weaknesses sorted. I am pretty sure that if LR is weak, you are very good at some other sections and you can redeem yourself confidently in other sections. So don't stress for LR too much. ठीक है? कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन के टफ मॉक्स मत करो, वो तुम्हें सिर्फ डराएगा. Just focus on your previous year questions and just focus on your strengths. These should be my attempts in the exam. That's it. Okay. If there's any other question, if there's any other doubt, use the comment box for that. Okay. Otherwise, I don't want to take any more of your time. That is it. I was Jessica. I am Jessica from Tarkashastra, and this was the only video you needed for LR. Bye-bye.